Welcome. Before we begin, take a moment to arrive exactly as you are. This meditation is an invitation to gently release suffering connected to the past, not by erasing memory, not by forcing forgiveness, but by offering peace where there has been a weight. If you are here today, it may be because old memories still visit you, or because your body reacts as if something is still happening, even though it's over. Today, we will not treat the past as something wrong with you. We will treat it as information, evidence of what you have lived through, what you learned, and how deeply you cared. Nothing here needs to be fixed, only softened. And remember, you are your own guide. I'm simply here to walk with you. First, I'll explain the breath we'll use. We'll inhale gently through the nose, hold briefly at the top, and exhale slowly through the mouth, allowing the body to release. Let's begin. Inhale through your nose for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold at the top for 2, 1. Now exhale through the mouth for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, inhale through your nose, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold at the top for 2, 1. Now exhale through the mouth, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One more time. Inhale, 4. Hold, 2. Exhale, 6. Let the breath return to a natural rhythm. Now imagine yourself standing on a quiet beach at sunset. The air is warm. The sky is painted with soft golds, pinks, and violets. The ocean stretches endlessly before you, steady, rhythmic, alive. With each wave, notice how the water comes forward and then naturally releases back into itself. Nothing clings, nothing rushes. You are safe to be here. As you are breathing, notice in the distance someone approaching. It is a version of you from the past, not a specific moment, but the version of you who carried what was heavy. Notice how they look, their posture, their energy. Without judgment, open your arms and allow them to come closer. You do not need to say anything. Your presence is enough. As you breathe, imagine holding this version of you or standing beside them, offering the compassion you may have not received then. Let them feel seen. Now notice if there is an emotional weight connected to this past version of you. Not the story, just the sensation. Perhaps it feels like tightness, heaviness, or fatigue. Imagine this weight as something you can gently offer to the ocean. On your next exhale, place it into the water. The ocean receives it, not to erase it, but to transform it. With each wave, let more of the weight dissolve. You may silently say, "Thank you for what you taught me. I release what no longer needs to stay." If emotions arise, allow them. Your body knows how to let go safely. Now bring to mind the people or experiences that shaped this chapter of your life. Not to revisit the pain, but to acknowledge learning and growth. From a place of grounded safety, offer them peace. not approval, not permission, not condoning, simply peace. And now offer that same peace to yourself. You did the best you could with what you knew then. Notice the space created within you now. The past is still part of your story, but it no longer needs to live in your body. Feel the steadiness beneath you. The ocean continues its rhythm. You are here and you are whole. Silently repeat, may I be gentle with myself. May I trust my inner wisdom. May I move forward unburdened. Now extend this outward. May others find peace in their own time. May we all be free from unnecessary suffering. May we all be at peace on our paths of life. When you are ready, gently open your eyes if they aren't already. And anchor into the peace that has always been within you. Thank you for sharing this space, this energy, and this time with me. I'm Fatima from Fatima B Speaks on YouTube. I help high achievers, especially high achieving women, break burnout and perfectionism cycles and restore peace, ease, and purpose via wellness workshops, yoga, and meditation sessions. Download my free 5-day reset. It's in the show notes. May you move through your day with gentleness, ease, and unconditional permission to simply be